on track as we continue our classes on approximations, but today we'll be dwelling into significant figures. Let's start with the following examples. We are told to approximate the following numbers to 1SF, 2SF, and 3SF respectively. So let's start with the first question. $65009.269. Before we start with this, I dropped a video on approximations, my last video on approximation concerning decimal places, and I explained some certain key terms on approximation. I said we have what we call the round up and the round down, and also I said if you have number like this, whereby you have a decimal point in between the two numbers, you always see the number as you always see the decimal point as a breakdown of two numbers, one on the left hand side and the other on the right hand side. So for your decimal places, I said you start your counting with the set of numbers on the right hand side. So the opposite is significant figure. That means for a significant figure now, you start your counting with the numbers from the word from the left hand side, which is from this number over here. That's when between the significant figures and decimal places. So let's start. One significant figure now means you count from here 1. If you look at the next digit after this 6, it is 5. So that 5 falls in the category of round up. That means you're adding 1 to the digit. So this becomes 70,000. Others will be zeros. So this is to 1 significant figures. I believe that is clear. All right. So second question. The same number we are meant to approximate to 2 significant figures. You also count 1, 2. But the next digit after this 5, it is 0. So that 0 falls in the category of what? Of round down. That means you add nothing to the digit. So this becomes 65000. If you like, you can put 0.00 to 2SF. We are done with that too. And lastly, the same number to 3SF. You also count 1, 2, 3. The next digit number here is 0. Falls in the category of what? Of round down. That means it add nothing to the digit. So you still have it as 65000 to 3SF. So in this case now, you can see that the 2 significant figures of this number and 3 significant figures of this number give you the same answer. So it's possible. All right? So question B. We are done with question A. We have 0.001658. We want to also approximate this to 1SF, 2SF, and to 3SF. So the first one now. When you see this question here and this one, they are quite different. When you see a question like this and you want to approximate, you now go back to the meaning of this significant. Significant means something important. That is, in this case, when you have zeros starting a number like this, can you see? Zeros are here before the significant numbers. This zero will be counted as non-significant. Counted as non-significant. So that means you are starting your counting from 1. The next digit over here is 6, which falls in the category of what? Of round up. That means you add 1 to this digit. So you are going to have 0.002 to 1 SF. Then question 2. The same number again to 2 SF. Start your counting from here. 1, 2. This one is up to is 5 actually, and that is falls in category of what? Of round up. So that means you add 1 to this digit. You should have 0.0017. This is to 2 SF. Then lastly, the same number to 3 SF. You count again. 1, 2, 3. This is 8. It falls in the category of what? Of round up. You also add 1 to this digit. So you should have 0.00166 to 3 SF. So that will be the end of the class. Okay, so I want you guys to please, if you enjoy this video, kindly give this video a like, share, and subscribe to this YouTube channel to receive more of my maths video. I'll see you guys in next class. Bye for now.